Hello, my name is Gilles, and welcome to my New York cheesecake recipe. We will start with the ingredients. There are 250 grams of biscuits, 90 grams of melted butter, 700 grams of cream cheese, 150 grams of sugar, 200 grams of milk cream, 2 eggs, 25 grams of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, grated lemon, and juice of half a lemon. To start, crush the biscuits in a crusher and mix them with the butter in a bowl until everything is mixed. Then put a whole mixture and mold. Then in a bowl put the cream cheese, the sugar, the grated lemon, the vanilla essence, the lemon juice, the cornstarch, and mix well. After we have mixture, put 2 eggs one by one without venting so that mixture does not have air, and also add milk cream and again mix well. Then put the mixture in the mold on top of the biscuit, and when you have it level, put it in the oven at 150